I think a lot of us have some form of body dysmorphia, letting ourselves be weighed down by our body image issues and negative thoughts. But there is so much more to you. And you are more than what you look like. You are all the things that make you smile. You are the sound of your laugh. You are the way you treat others. You are what you love. Welcome to Coached by Nikki Dyer. Feel your eyes gently close and just take this moment to let your body shift and center. Noticing for a brief moment what the natural rhythm of your breath feels like. Feeling whether your breath is quick and shallow, or if it's already deepened. Let the muscles in your face soften. Relax your jaw on purpose. Have your shoulders drop down and back. Feeling your breath as it opens your chest. Letting your belly soften as your breath drops down easily and naturally. Feeling it flow through you. You are you. You are not what you look like. You are the art you create. You are the music you listen to. You are the movies you watch. You are the clothes you choose to wear. You are everything you love. You are not your uneven complexion. You are not your weight or the size on your clothing. You are not how big your nose is, or the size of your tummy or thighs. You are beautiful. You are indescribable. You are incredible. You are strong. You will never be just what you look like or the body you are in. You are who and what you invest your time in. You are what you love. And I'm so proud of you. Take a deep breath in and out. Then when you are ready, open your eyes and return to the space around you. If you enjoyed this meditation I would love your support in growing this new channel. Please like and subscribe and share it with someone you love. I release a new meditation every Wednesday.